Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see Figma Buzz, which is a type of Canva alternative. So they are saying it is asset production made easy, create and publish on-brand assets to keep your team's work on brand every time. Which it should be a Canva replacement. I don't know what asset production made easy is, but let's get started and we'll see. So yeah, it is for like social media posters mainly. So they have all these social media sizes and things. So let's start with something that looks cool and we'll see. Yeah, let's see this. Okay, first of all, the scrolling is weird. Oh, you can change it here itself. That's nice. Okay, I'll maybe copy paste this. Okay, so this goes. Oh, this is exactly like Canva. This is like each layer is a separate. Each page or each frame is a separate page over here. Okay, so let's just change this to exposed. Okay. Okay, this looks exactly like Canva. That's fine. I'll move this over here. Okay, that looks good. So what other things can we do here? Okay, we can see everything in this view. This is for changing the view. Templates, of course, we can see all the templates that they have, which is quite a lot right now, but not as much as Canva. Canva has like millions, I think, so not as much as Canva. Okay, they have some font combinations, some images. Make an image, turn your ideas into images with OpenAI's GPT Image 1 or other AI models. Okay, you don't need this AI model, just pick the best one, right? Okay, shapes. This looks exactly like canvas, and we can insert anything. This looks unique. Okay, let's just copy something. Okay, yeah, this the editing experience on this makes it look like exactly Canva, but that's fine. I'll close this. What else is there? Edit content. Okay, so this is for the new editor access or like content manager pricing tier that they have. So the content manager can only see this here. Branches. Okay, yeah, the content managers can only see this editable thing, so they can just go in, edit everything and export. I'm guessing that's fine. Or you can replace images. Okay, and you can also of course upload spreadsheets to bulk create these things. Okay, so far it's a little simpler than Canva, because Canva literally has like lots and lots of features. They now have a website builder also, so yeah, Canva has lots of features. But this is good so far. I'm not in my pro account, so probably you can edit this again in Figma and move it here. That's fine. But we can change the background. That's nice. Okay, yeah. So first impressions, I won't be using this. I have Figma for all of this, and I just export and give it to my content people most of the time. So I won't be using this as much as even Canva, because I do have a Canva subscription for things like this. But yeah, if they add like lots and lots of new features, I will probably be thinking about using it, because I need that right sidebar over here itself, the Figma properties panel. If it's over here itself, that will be great. And other small things, if they started to do this export is very nice. So yeah, this export is nice. Yeah, so they just need to add some more features, and I will probably be moving from Canva subscription to here. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.